Hey y'all, check out this endoscope that I received from the brand to try out. Now, this is pretty amazing. I've already used this in a couple of use cases where I've placed this through my sink just to check out a clog, and also I've used it to check out my car engine. So this is really great to get to those hard to reach places. Now, this is 9.8 feet, but they sell in different sizes, 16 and a half, I think 33 feet, and then also 50 feet. There is a really bright flashlight on the end of this, and they have adapters that are compatible with iPhone 15 and even the older ones with the lightning cable. So it is compatible with USB-C devices, and it also comes with a number of attachments so that you can get better angles. So for example, this one has a mirror to it, so you can actually see off to the side rather just than straight on. So this is really great, especially for example, drywall. You can drill a hole into the drywall and look for the electrical connections just by rotating it, and instead of bending it and getting it to the right position, all you gotta do is use this little guy right over here. Now, I love that it also has a magnet, so if you drop like a screw like down a vent or something like that, this will be perfect to pick up that screw. And then there's also a hook, which is great, especially if you are doing wiring through drywall. You're trying to get to the wire and pull that through so that you can put in your light fixture or your outlet. So it's great because this also has a little dial here to control the brightness level for your endoscope. So it all connects to your phone, and from your phone you can record, you can take pictures, you can see it in real time. So it is pretty amazing. Now, the app that is included with this endoscope is also very user-friendly and has a number of amazing features. It can mirror the screen, it can also enlarge it, and it also has a monochromatic setting where you can turn the color on and off, and it has a photo comparison feature. Thank you for the brand for sending this out and sponsoring this video. Hope you all found this helpful.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.